Gemini. Welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot, mga kapatid na OFW. Gemini reading, October 15 to 31. Yeah? Knock, 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 Gemini. So, ano po? Another month, another week. Yes? So, tuloy-tuloy lang po ang laban. Yeah? So, that's how it is in the real world. So, OFW, nakamukha ko. So, trabaho lang po. Okay? So, yeah, I know, minsan kailangan nating mag-pause. Ito, pahinga ito eh. Pahinga. Pahinga and you meditate. Kapag nagpahinga ka, clear yung mind, we can think clearly. Yes? So, yung mga life lessons natin. Life lessons. Importante yan. Okay? Keep natin yung mga life lessons. That's how we grow. Okay? Yeah. Alam kong naghahanap tayo ng partner, love, and affection. Kailangan natin yan. Yeah. Pero minsan, malayo tayo or we cannot find it. Yung terms natin in our own terms. Tama po ba? Mahirap. So, Gemini, October 15 to 31. Tignan natin kung ano ang sabi ng angel spirit guide ni Gemini. Yeah? Twin ano ba sign nyo? Yung twin sign. Yung kakambal. Okay? Tingnan natin. Yes? Gemini, October 15 to 31. Ano ang message kay Gemini? Ano ang dapat malaman ni Gemini? Magkapi-kapi po tayo. Magkapi-kapi tayo. OFW. Sa hindi OFW, magkape rin po tayo. Relax lang tayo. Let's not take life seriously. That's how it is. So, naghahanap ka ng pagmamahal, affection, or you want to offer it. Yeah? Okay? I'm not saying na new love. Okay? Ano yan? Emotional connection. Merong maaring sa bagong opisina or yung bagong kapitbahay, you're creating a new connection. Okay? Okay, Gemini, tignan natin. Oops. So, anong pinagkakaabalahan ng Gemini? So, shout out po kapag nag-resonate. Kung hindi, huwag pong pilitin. Naghahanap ka nga ng affection and connection sa trabaho or sa mga taong nasa paligid mo. So, kailangan mong gamitin yung superpower mo. You need that strength. Leo, if you're dealing with Leo, okay? Or believe na yung ginagawa mo may matutunguhan. Yes? You want to, ito yung ino-offer mo na buong puso mo, pati na yung soul mo dun sa project na ginagawa mo. Relationship na binibuild mo yung foundation sa pamilya mo, sa trabaho, sa opisina mo, sa kapitbahay mo, sa community mo. Yes, ginagawa mo yun wholehearted. Yeah? Yung ginagawa mong pag sa sideline, yung ginagawa mong anything na about physical world, nagtatrabaho ka ng buong puso, walang problema, ayaw mo makipag-away. Okay? Ang universe na nagsasabi, keep it up. You have that strength of a lion. You have that courage of a lion. Okay? Kaya mong itame yan. Okay? Kung ano man ito, that's how it is. It's practical na nakikisalamuha ka with your environment now. Yeah? So, continue that flow. Okay? Hindi madali. Okay? Madaling sabihin. Madali pong sabihin yan. Especially kay Gemini na you're looking for your twin, yung yung kakambal mo na gusto mo palagi na na may validation. Yung ano ba yung gagawin natin na susunod na step? Yung ganun tipo? Yeah? Kasi you deal with people may maangas. Okay? O merong medyo maarte. Okay? Merong player. Yeah? Okay? So, kaya minsan nagdadalawang isip. Yeah, Gemini. So, October 15 to 31. Tignan natin kung ano ang dapat mo pang malaman, Gemini, okay? If it's related to project, i-ano natin po yung timeline natin lalo sa reading. If something na ganoong ang situation, I would suggest na yung pinaka-highlight ng energy is about strength and keeping the dynamics na magaang at walang away. Just keep it that way, okay? Ibig sabihin nun hindi pa oras, okay? So Gemini, October 15 to 31. October 15 to 31. October 15 to 31. Ano pa ang dapat malaman ni Gemini? Angel, Spirit, Guide. Okay, tingnan natin. Tingnan natin sa guardian angel mo, Gemini. What do you need to know? What do you need to know, Gemini? Okay? Related ba to sa patutunguhan mo? Patutunguhan mo ito ano to? This is a physical move. Yeah? This is a physical move. Meron kang hinihintay. Yeah? Meron kang hinihintay. Okay? Ready ka na ba doon sa hinihintay mo na yun? Ready ka na ba? Okay? You're waiting for something. Okay? And sabi patient. I have a Gemini friend na ahente. Okay? Siguro isang taon walang nabenta. Walang nabenta. Nagbebenta po ng mga properties. Hindi po ganun kadali yun. Pero kapag nakabenta naman, malaki ang komisyon. Okay? So, ang tanong niya ay anong pangkakain niya? Okay? Yes, totoo po yun. And that's a lot of pag-ahente sa sales niya. Okay? Talagang buong puso, binibigay niya talaga. Talagang, ito yung taong na, alam niyo yung tumatayo sa mga mall, sa kalye, yung sa labas, nagmimigay ng flyer. Yeah, yun. And one time, sabi ko, ano yan? Patient. I always use that word. Okay? And then one time, nagulat ako, sabi ko, anong yung mga picture na yung award on something. Yeah, okay. Knock on wood, nakabenta siya sa isang buwan, 7 condominium. Yeah, okay. 7 condominium. Yeah, okay. So yung pinaplano mong pupuntahan or didesisyonan, nasa crossroad ka, may blessing siya. Okay? Claim it. So, wag ka nang yung emperor na yung nagsabi. When I say it's the emperor, yan ng boss. Ibig sabihin yan, Gemini, act like a boss. Okay? Own it. Alam mo ito yung sign ng yung mga hunter na they claim that award. Talking about yung kakilala ko na ahente. Okay? Hindi ganun kadali po yun. Okay? Sa simula ang in-offer lang yung emotion. Emotion is tsaka yung inspirasyon na okay, kailangan kong gawin ito. Pumunta ako rito, so makipagsiksikan ako. Kausapin ko yung palang ginagawa social media, etc. Okay? Talagang pinagtiyagaan. Isang taon na walang benta. Okay? So, yung savings, kakapiranggot na lang. Hindi naman ganun yun. Pero nung bigla, 7 ka agad. So, nasambot niya yung almost 1 year na kinikita sa komisyon. Kasi may malaking komisyon yung ganoon Okay? Mahirap pagtiyagaan. Pero kailangan yung pasensya mo ay talagang nandoon. Kasi yung timing po. Okay? Ngayon, ikaw naman Gemini, it's going to that direction. Okay? Yung pasensya mo rito. Okay? Now, I don't think na you're losing hope here. Okay? Are you losing hope? Okay? Kasi ito yung mga hinihiram mo sa bangko na hindi pa ma-release. Okay? Mga ganun. Or yung promotion mo, just keep that route, yung ruta. Okay? So, it's either you're gonna meet somebody. Okay? You're gonna meet somebody. You're gonna meet an Aries. You're gonna meet an Aries or a Leo, or kung sakaling you're dealing with design. Okay? Merong impact yun sa decision-making process mo. Yeah? Kung sa negosyo, okay, meron ka ng malaking tulong sa iyo on. Kung nag-aantay ka ng promotion, if ipamukha mo who you are. Gemini, that's how ikaw to eh. You're working so hard eh. So, you claim, hindi mo lang i-claim, okay? Again, wag tayong claim ng claim. Okay? You prove it na you deserve that one and act like you are the emperor, higher than the king yan. Yeah? Okay? Hindi po nangangahulugan magmamando-mando ka or ano, pero you act that way. Yeah, okay. Yes, judgment na. Okay, universe na yun nagsasabi. So, it will happen. It will happen. If you think na palaging ikaw na lang ang nagdadala dun sa tatlong na yan, I don't see any relationship na issue about third party here. Kung meron bang ganoon, iyon ba yung conflict mo? Okay? If that's the conflict, you need to keep that, that lakas ng loob. Yeah? And yung kinlaim mo, ayan siya, naka-open arm siya, kine-claim niya, akin to eh, sabi niya. Akin to eh, sabi ni Gemini. Para sa akin ito. Okay? Yung job offer, yung new position, yung kung nag-apply ka ng migration, yeah, sa akin ito. Para sa iyan, Gemini. Checkmate. Yeah? Okay. Meron ba ganyan, Gemini? So, kuha tayo ng October 15 to 31 yan Okay, so you're looking for that offer ng love. Just continue working on that. Kung sa boyfriend, girlfriend, na you build that relationship is stronger. Okay? And you need to claim that na para sa iyo yun. Kung sa trabaho or prosperity ang hinahanap mo, judgment call na. It's a judgment call. So, it's the karma. It's the karma na yung magbibigay sa iyo ng ng nudge. Yeah? So, this is a positive reading, Gemini. Okay? So, you work on it. Continue working on it. I can see here na you're working on your pentacle. Kahit na gaano kaliit o kalaki po ang pinagtatrabahuhan natin, we should keep that momentum. Okay? That's the fire. That's the fire that we have po. Okay? That's the fire. Yun yung magic one niya, Yeah? That's how we keep pushing sa kailangan mo yung strength. Okay, Gemini, October 15 to 31. Tingnan natin baka meron kang Libra dito, Libra, I saw also. Tingnan natin yung kaibigan ni Gemini, kung meron siyang other message. One, oracle card kay Gemini. Tingnan natin. October 15 to 31. October 15 to 31. Gemini. Message kay Gemini. Tingnan natin. Gemini. Isa lang angel spirit guide. Let's see. Gemini. Okay. Dalawa yung binigay. Okay. Another air sign yung nakita ko rito. Aquarius. Okay. So, kung meron kang Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. Okay? Birthday ng Libra. Okay. Aquarius, sabi ng kaibigan mo Aquarius, the time is ripe to celebrate life. Make the most of parties, gathering, and other social opportunities. Mahilig ka. Sinabi ko lang yung event, diba? Yeah? Okay, I think you're going to that direction. Meron kang ipapag-celebrate October 15. Put that on your calendar. Okay? Okay, yung black cat. Okay? If you see a black cat, okay, huwag kang matakot. batukan mo yung black hat, sabihin mo sa kanya, ibigay mo sa akin yung those things they didn't come didn't cross our path accidentally. Okay, I sometimes I see cat na tinitignan ko, itim ba yung pusa na yun? Kasi yung mental natin kailangan parang we want that magic instantly. Okay, pero lang po ako, I just want to make things lightly. Okay, I mean, superstitious tayo there's nothing wrong on that one as long as we do it the proper way and we work for it. Sabi, make time to focus on your own spiritual well-being and connect to the metaphysical world around you. Yeah? Okay? That's the judgment. Look at that, yung metaphysical. Okay? I think yung strength is also a metaphysical. That's something inside you, Gemini. Okay? Being the air sign sometimes, no judgment, okay, because yung mostly na air sign na kakilala ko I'm not saying that they're not spiritual, okay, pero minsan pag nagkukwentuhan kami ng anything related to something like that, okay, so medyo tumatawa sila, okay, kasi iba yung ninyo, iba yung mindset niyo yeah, iba yung niyo, personality. Agree? Okay, so why not try that one? Even a simple, let's say, hindi ko sabi mag-meditate ka. I know being Catholic myself, so nagsisimba, yung something like that, okay? Time to be with yourself and, connect with people. Mayroong you will find somebody, okay, dito sa party na ito. So, claim that October 15 to 31, yeah? So, Gemini, salamat po sa mga OFW at kung hindi na OFW, manood din po kayo. So, yeah, see you again.